We know that different occasions and places decide our clothing pattern. Now, when we wear so many variety of clothes, then we also need to take care of those clothes, right? So how do we take care of our clothes? And why do we need to take care of our clothes? Let's understand. So when we wear our clothes, clothes gather dust, sweat and germs, isn't it? Now, when these clothes gather all these things, it's very important that we clean them, isn't it? Now, how do we clean them? By washing, definitely. So it's very important that we wash our clothes often because they gather all the dust and germs and they also smell bad because of that. So washing is very important. Now, there are certain situations where washing is not possible. Then what can you do? Well, we should let our clothes to air dry. So whenever you are not wearing a cloth and you are not washing it for some reason, you should always allow it to air dry so that sweat dries off the clothes. So now can you answer this question? When washing is not possible, we should fold our clothes and keep it in closet, or we should let our clothes to air dry. Which one is the right answer? What do you think? Well, the correct answer is we should let our clothes to air dry. So whenever washing is not possible, we should always let our clothes to air dry. Now, another important step to taking care of your clothes is we should always iron our clothes after washing. As you can see here, unironed shirt and ironed shirt. Do you see a difference? Well, ironed shirt is much more presentable. It looks good. So whenever you wash your clothes, such crease develop on the shirt, and so we need to iron the shirt or iron our clothes so that the crease go away and our clothes look much more presentable. So when we talk about taking care of clothes, what are the three important steps? First is that you should wash clothes often and you should allow the clothes to air dry. So whenever washing is not possible or even after washing, it's very important that you allow the clothes to air dry so that any moisture or sweat dries off. And you should always iron your clothes because that makes our clothes much more presentable.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.